Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw XDC from Bitmart to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your XDC tokens from Bitmart to Coinbase for better management or trading, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and secure. XDC, or Zinfin's native coin, is a popular choice for smart contracts in DeFi, and transferring it between exchanges is easier than you might think. But remember, always double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Coinbase, and that your identities are verified. This is crucial for security and to prevent any withdrawal delays. Log into your Bitmart account and head over to the Wallet, or Assets, section. Find your XDC balance. That's where the magic begins. Next, click on Withdraw next to your XDC holdings. You'll need to enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and fees, which can vary, but in 2025, expect them to be around 1 to 5% depending on network congestion. Now, the key step. You need your Coinbase wallet address. Hop over to Coinbase, go to your account, and copy the XDC deposit address. Pro tip. Always verify that you're pasting the correct address to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. That's a common pitfall. Back on Bitmart, paste the Coinbase address into the withdrawal form. Double-check the network. XDC typically uses the XDC network, so ensure it matches to prevent failed transactions. Review all the details, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for extra security. Once submitted, the transaction will process on the blockchain, which might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic in 2025. After it's done, check your Coinbase account to confirm the XDC has arrived. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. This process keeps your assets moving securely across platforms. If you run into issues, both exchanges have support teams ready to help. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital portfolio together. See you in the next video.